जो मैंने पिछले 5-10 मिनट में जो कहा, तो ये बोलेंगे इसके लिए तो हमें रिसोर्सेज क्या चाहिए, तो बहुत बड़ी टीम चाहिए, बहुत खर्चा होगा, बहुत टाइम हमारा जाएगा। नहीं जाएगा। इसमें जो चाहिए वो आपकी एक डेडिकेटेड कोर टीम चाहिए, और ऐसा नहीं है कि वो सिर्फ यही काम करेगी। दे कैन कंटिन्यू डूइंग देयर वर्क। दिस इज़ ए डेवलपमेंट अपॉर्चुनिटी फॉर योर स्टाफ। वो आके आपके साथ काम कर सकते हैं। बहुत ज़रूरी ये है कि जो ओनर है, सीनियर मैनेजमेंट है, उनका टाइम और उनका कमिटमेंट चाहिए। अगर उनका कमिटमेंट नहीं होगा, वो बोलेंगे ठीक है ये ट्रस्ट मार्क करना, जीजेएफ ने कहा है अपने को ट्रस्ट मार्क सामने लगाना है दुकान के बाहर, ये आप 2-4 लोग हैं, आप जाओ करो, सिस्टम जो करने का है वो करके लाओ। इट विल नॉट वर्क लाइक दैट अनलेस द सीनियर मैनेजमेंट एंड द ओनर हैज़ कमिटमेंट। दिस विल नॉट रियली बी मीनिंगफुल। आपको उसका पूरा फ़ायदा नहीं मिलेगा। सो मेरा आपसे बहुत आग्रह है कि आप प्लीज़ सीनियर मैनेजमेंट, आप सभी ओनर्स यहाँ बैठे हैं, कि आप खुद इसमें इंटरेस्ट लीजिए और टीम के पास ये कराइए। मैं थोड़ा शेयर आपके साथ करना चाहती हूँ कि हम ये काम कैसे करेंगे। बोर्ड ने, जैसे मैंने कहा, ये अप्रूव किया है एंड आई एम रियली थैंकफुल टू द बोर्ड। आई थिंक दिस, एज आवर चेयरमैन हैज सेड, इट इज़ अ पाथ ब्रेकिंग प्रोजेक्ट। और इसके जो कमेटी मेंबर्स हैं वो हमारे चेयरमैन श्री हरेश भाई और वाइस चेयरमैन मनीष भाई है। और मेंबर्स में जैसे वहाँ नाम लिखा हुआ है, अशोक भाई, बचराज जी, मिस्टर श्रीधर, मिस्टर दातवानी, विनोद भाई, श्री सुरवचंद्र जी, जतिन भाई और सुबोध भाई है। और एक व्यक्ति जिनका नाम मैंने इसमें नहीं लिखा है, मगर उनका सर मैं थोड़ा थोड़ा खाती रहती हूँ, और भी हो जाएगा, वो है नितिन भाई खंडेलवाल। और उनके साथ काम करने का और उनसे इनपुट लेने का खास उद्देश्य ये है कि उन्होंने अकोला में उनकी दुकान है, तो भी ISO कई साल पहले किया। कितने साल हुए नितिन भाई? 9 साल हो गए। जब ये इंडस्ट्री में ISO वगैरह कोई नहीं करता था, अभी भी बहुत कम लोग करते हैं। ये तो भी उन्होंने किया क्योंकि ये समझते हैं कि सिस्टम्स का महत्व क्या है, और सिंस उन्होंने ये प्रैक्टिस की है, उनको पता है कि इसमें मुश्किलें क्या आ सकती है। सो आई विल कंटिन्यू टू वर्क विथ हिम एंड टेक हिज इनपुट सो दैट वी कीप इम्प्रूविंग एंड वी मेक श्योर कि हम ऐसे तरीके से काम करें कि ये इंडस्ट्री के लिए ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा फ़ायदेमंद रहे। GJF में इसकी एक हमने टीम बनाई है जो इसको फैसिलिटेट करेगी, इसका एग्जीक्यूशन। इनके टीम के जो लीडर है वो श्री दास महापात्रा है। आप सब उनको देख चुके हो, मिल चुके हो। और उनके साथ में काम करेंगे मिस्टर उल्लासन, वो है यहाँ पर, श्री Mr. Ullasan is there. Can the GJF team come here, please? Mr. Ullasan, Mr. Neeraj Acharya, Ms. Mansi Bhatt, Ms. Carol D'Souza, and Mr. Shamal Kumar. I would also like to introduce our panel of consultants, and I will tell you in just 5 minutes what the panel of consultants will do. Can I ask Mr. Jagdish Shenoy, Mr. Shashank Sheth, Mr. Zubin Batliwala, Mr. Nitin Pandya, and Mr. Chandrasekharan also to please come forward. Please. To launch this program and to facilitate कि हम सब ये काम ठीक से कर सके, we want to build an in-house expertise, and to build the in-house expertise, we have, we have this team from GJF. Who have spent 3 days working with the developer and with the consultants. We had 3 strong days, continuous interactions to understand what this mark is all about, what are the questions we have debated, and based on their feedback, we will be revising all our standard as well, and they will be driving the program. So any questions that we have at GJF, there will be a one point of contact. On the website, we will have a separate page which will list what are the frequently asked questions, and the applications will go to GJF. So I want to thank all of you for taking the time. Some of us, yes, please give them a big hand of applause. Some of us, हम डेडिकेटेड अगर हमारी कोर टीम नहीं कर सकते, या हमें लगे कि हमारे पास इतना टाइम नहीं है, या समझ नहीं है, या रिसोर्सेज नहीं है, वी वांट सम आउटसाइड हेल्प, तो सिर्फ कोई भी कंसल्टेंट लेने से अगर उनको यह अपनी इंडस्ट्री क्या है वो समझ में नहीं आए या अपना ये स्टैंडर्ड क्या है अगर उनको समझ में नहीं आए, so we have this very expert panel of consultants here, and they have experience of working with various international standard, or they have a network because of which we will be able to service across the country. For example, Mr. Chandrasekhan from Astute Consulting, who knows GJF very well, who knows the gem and jewelry industry very well. He has worked with many in our industry on the standard and audit, etc. So he and his team with their network of offices are available to us. Mr. Nitin Pandya, he has also done a lot of work within the industry for audit, and in fact, I was very glad to hear that some of the leading jewelry companies, manufacturers, have devised their own standards, and that says that such a standard was required to talk exactly what we are doing. And he's already been working with them. Mr. Shanoy, again an engineer by profession, has great experience of doing this. And Mr. Batliwala, he shared something very interesting, and he said police had done ISO 9000. तो मैंने कहा पुलिस फोर्स को ISO 9000 की जर्नी करने की ज़रूरत क्या है, हम सबको तो ज़रूरत है, पुलिस के पास तो हम जाते हैं. And he mentioned that when the commissioner was Mr. Roy, that he realized कि लोगों का परसेप्शन हमारे लिए कि मैं FIR रजिस्टर करने जाऊँ तो स्टैंडर्ड ऑपरेटिंग प्रोसीजर्स नहीं है, कितना टाइम लगता है. दैट इज़ वेयर ही वर्कड विद द पुलिस फोर्स कि पुलिस चौकी में अगर कोई आता है FIR रजिस्टर करने के लिए तो क्या प्रोसेस होना चाहिए, कितना टाइम लगना चाहिए. ही मेंशन कि अगर जो भी समवन मेंशन मुद्दा माल होता है, विच इज़ अगर क्राइम सीन पर जो भी जगह है उसको आप सेफली कैसे रखोगे, कोई स्टैंडर्ड ऑपरेटिंग प्रोसीजर इसके नहीं है. दे हैव डिवाइज्ड ऑल दैट. So just imagine if someone like a police force wants to improve their perception because लोग ऐसा समझे कि ये ठीक से काम करते हैं या हम सर्विस ठीक से दे सके. So obviously our industry is far ahead of all that. So I want to thank all of you gentlemen and ladies for being with us for those 3 days, and we look forward to your help in getting this support forward. I want to mention something which is very important is that ये जो भी आप financial goals बनाओगे, strategy बनाओगे, road map बनाओगे, none of this information will be shared with anyone in GJF. This will remain internal within your organization. Only the third party auditor, जैसे आपके chartered accountant auditor आते हैं, this will remain only with you. And the consultants we have, the auditors we have, they have a proven track record. They've worked in the industry for many, many years, and they do not share this information. So this is something I wanted to make sure that I make it known to all of you. So as we mentioned right in the beginning, this is a third-party audit process. So who will be our auditors? I would like to introduce the team from ISO CAR. Mr. Suhas, do you want to come forward, please, with team? Mr. Burjis Balsara and Mr. Nishit. They are ISO CAR India, part of the UK-based organization, and they are leading certifying agency here internationally, and this India team is responsible for all of their work in India, Middle East, and North Africa. I have had the pleasure of working with the same team because they used to be part of the KPMG quality team many years ago, and KPMG decided to wind up their quality team. And during those days for Rio Tinto, I had developed and launched business excellence model, and that's where we worked with Suhas and his team. So, and again, after that, they've continued to do ISO for many units in our industry. So very familiar with our industry, and they understand. And the best thing that I have liked about them is when they come for audit, they will not say, "Aapko ye pata nahi hai." They'll come and explain to you what it means and how do you take. They actually are contributing. They'll work with us as partners with the applicants to really help us prepare our strategy plan and all of those things. So thank you, Suhas, Nishit, and Burjis for all your help. So what is the certification process? Those who are interested will submit their application with a fee of 5,000, and the GJF team, as I just introduced you to them, they will give you the certification kit. So what is a certification kit? It will of course have the standard and it will have a self-help manual. आप अगर ऐसा चाहते हैं कि मुझे consultant नहीं चाहिए, I want to do this in-house. So we have prepared a self-help manual which will explain what is the strategy. It will explain in detail. So you can plan your own, you can work this in-house as well. So you don't have to have consultants, but if you like, you can. And once you prepare the documents as per that the standard, you can inform GJF, and if required, they can help you with the identification of the appropriate consultants. Once your documents are ready, they'll be sent, and you can send directly to the auditor for review. You don't have to send anything to GJF as mentioned. This is absolutely confidential. No one in GJF needs to be aware of what documents you are preparing. After that, if the documents are in order, the auditors will give you a date, they'll come for the audit. And if there are any non-conformances, they will inform you and you have to rectify them within 60 days. Post that, they will submit their recommendation to GJF. And the GJF committee, as I mentioned earlier, they will take a call and they will decide whether this recommendation can be accepted, and this will be then presented to the concerned person. This is an estimated fee schedule. Don't bother, getting into or making any notes. When we finish, we have a small desk about the trust mark, and I would like to, we really are very, very optimistic about and very determined to take this forward, as our chairman has said. And we have created a brand identity for this, and may I request our chairman to please come forward and reveal the logo.
First of all, I would like to invite my Vice Chairman, Manish Ji. Please, Manish Ji. First of all, I am really thankful to Nirupa ji on behalf of my team. Nirupa ji, we are really thankful. You have done a great job.
My pleasure.
Yes. आप लोग को ये प्रोग्राम कैसा लगा? थैंक यू सो मच. मुझे इतनी उम्मीद है कि ऐसा ही हमें पार्टिसिपेशन इंडस्ट्री में से मिलेगा, और ये प्रोग्राम इसीलिए बनाया है कि हमें, जैसे बात हुई कि इंडस्ट्री की इमेज हमें बढ़ानी है, जैसे निरूपा जी ने बहुत अच्छा एग्जाम्पल दिया था कि आईटी इंडस्ट्री का ग्रोथ क्यों है, बिकॉज दे फॉलो सिस्टम्स. इवन इन आवर इंडस्ट्री ऑल्सो वी वुड लाइक टू इंट्रोड्यूस दिस काइंड ऑफ प्रोग्राम्स. तो इससे इंडस्ट्री की एक इमेज बढ़ेगी. अभी मैं हमारे रिस्पेक्टेड बोर्ड ऑफ डायरेक्टर्स को मैं यहाँ बुलाना चाहूँगा कि हमारा जो ये कैटलॉग है वो हम अनवील करेंगे. अशोक भाई, जवेरी भाई, विजय जी, अशोक भाई, प्लीज़ एवरीवन, परेश भाई, प्लीज़ कम. हाँ, कृपा जी.
व्हेन वी गो आउट, आप सबको भी एक हम कॉपी देना चाहते हैं। तो इसमें एक ब्रीफ में एक्सप्लेन किया हुआ है कि जो भी मैंने प्रेजेंटेशन में बात की थी, और बाहर हम आपसे और कोई भी सवाल होंगे तो हम आपसे बात कर सकेंगे। मैं खाली ब्रीफ में ज़रा बताना चाहती थी कि ये लोगो हमने बनाया उसका क्या खास, उसके पीछे हमारा लॉजिक क्या है या क्या सोच हुई थी। ये जो है ये 6 जो डिफरेंट एस्पेक्ट्स है हमारे बिजनेस के, और कि सभी की एनर्जी पूरी कॉन्सेंट्रेट हो, हम फोकस्ड रहे जो हमारा बीच में ये जो गोल है उसके ऊपर। दैट इज़ व्हाट वी वुड लाइक all of us to do, so we have continued success, and we believe the pillars of our businesses are customer trust, the leadership, the strategy, how do we manage our risk, how do we make sure that we optimize the talent we have, how do we look after that, and important, the environment safety. जैसे मैंने कहा कि ये ठीक तरीके से, if you see it very closely, it is a combination of a star and arrow. With that negative space, it just says, you know, let's focus with all the energy, all the resources we have. Let's optimize our resources to achieve the organization goal on a continuous improvement basis and excel. This is the certificate that will be provided once the committee approves, GJF committee approves based on the recommendations received from the auditors. And as I mentioned, there are 3 levels of certificate. This is again a work in progress. This will undergo minor change. ये सवाल भी उठता है कि सबको पता कैसे चलेगा, और what is the benefit, how do we make sure that we promote this program. So initially we will be looking to do more B2B, and we will work, we have a website, we have our newsletters, we will work with B2B magazines, we have Soma here and Samit, and we look for your support to make sure that you help us, the industry, to raise these standards. So we will look forward to the assistance from all our trade press friends to take this forward. जैसे ये मेंबरशिप होती है, और all those who acquire the logo in their communication, they will start using this logo. We will have brand guidelines कि आप ये logo कैसे use कर सकते हो, कहाँ कर सकते हो, and we believe slowly we'll be able to get this, the members or our total accredited members larger and larger. We have a PR agency, so we'll be working with them as well. These are some of the collaterals that we have prepared. This, those who may have seen the GJF website in the past few days would have seen this. This was the pre-launch banner. This will be some of the standees that we will have at the events, which again talks about the continuous improvement, challenging yourself. Don't be satisfied with where you are. In races, in Olympics, in World Championship, no one says कि मेरा last time this was my record and I'm happy with it. They always strive to go to the next level and say, how can I improve? And that's what we want all of us to do. Only when we bring in that philosophy in our businesses that we will continue to improve. And if we as individuals improve, our industry will improve, our credibility in the eyes of the government, all our stakeholders, banks, everywhere, our customers, vendors will certainly be growing. Take example of the cricket as well. We have individuals like Tendulkar, like Rahul Dravid and others who continue to rise higher, continue to do more and more and practice more and more. They don't say 10,000 run ho gaya, bas ho gaya, abhi mera kaam ho gaya. No, they want to continue to improve. This is the philosophy we have to bring in our businesses, in our industry. Let's not just relax. Again, same thing. And so the sports is a very inspiring, and we can work and learn a lot from there. These are the kind of advertisement, and again, this is just an example. We need to do a little more work on this, which we will. And again, you will see this ad and the banners on our website as we move forward. Some of the emailers that we will be sending to all those members who missed this launch as well. And the brochure that you just saw here, which you will get as well, we'll present to you as we move outside. I want to share with you the last slide, which is by Mr. Edwards Deming, and this also, Suhas, I took from your presentation. What is really important is the last line. You don't have to do it, please, all of you. Survival is not compulsory. And if we don't want to survive, let's not do it. But all of us here are very ambitious, very optimistic individuals and businesses. We not only want to survive, but we want to grow. So we want a tool, and I think GJF has put the resources, the amount of time, and we have spent quite a bit of money as well to work with the consultants, with the auditors to develop this program. The board has spent a lot of time deliberating on this, giving their input. So GJF has made a tremendous investment for the benefit of the entire industry. Let's all make use of that. Let's optimize this resource that is available to us. Mr. Deming tried to sell this continuous improvement and all of those things in the US to the automobile industry. They did not accept it. He went to Japan. The rest is history. The automobile industry in Japan outpaced every other automobile manufacturers in the other parts of the world, including the US. So this is what we are talking about, the continuous improvement and the how do you manage your risk, and all that framework is part of all this. So I want to thank all of you for your attention.